In a monastery high in the mountains of China, monks train for hours, not lifting, not running, just holding, still like stone. And somehow they develop strength that lasts for decades, well into old age. What if I told you that you can use the same method starting today with zero equipment and rebuild muscle and power you thought you'd lost forever after 50? Welcome back. If you're over 50 and feel like your strength has quietly slipped away, you're not alone. Most people think that after a certain age, building real, functional strength requires heavy weights, gym machines, and hours of recovery. But today, we're pulling back the curtain on an ancient training secret that modern science is only now catching up to: Shaolin Isometric holds. 6 specific positions rooted in centuries of warrior training that rebuild deep muscular strength, improve joint integrity, and reignite your body's ability to generate force without ever picking up a single dumbbell. Stay with me, because hold number 4 alone is going to completely change how you think about training after 50. Hold number 1, the Iron Horse stance. This is the foundation of Shaolin strength training. You've probably seen a version of this, a wide-legged squat hold, thighs parallel to the floor. But here's what most people don't know. When you hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, you're not just building your quads and glutes, you're forcing your body to recruit deep stabilizer muscles that conventional exercises completely miss. After 50, those deep stabilizers are the first to go, and they're exactly what prevents falls, protects your knees, and keeps you moving powerfully for the rest of your life. How to do it? Stand with feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointed out at 45 degrees. Lower until your thighs are parallel or as low as you can go comfortably. Hold, don't bounce. Don't fidget, just be still. Start with 20 seconds. Build to 90 seconds over time. The Shaolin monks would hold this for 30 minutes. We don't need to go that far, but even 60 seconds done daily will transform your lower body within weeks. Hold number 2, the wall press. Push-ups are great, but if joint pain, shoulder issues, or lack of strength make them difficult, this isometric version gives you all the chest and pressing benefits with zero strain on your wrists or joints. Stand arm's length from a wall. Place your palms flat against it at chest height. I'll push. Push as hard as you possibly can, as if you're trying to move the wall through the building. Nothing moves, but everything fires. This is called overcoming isometrics. You're generating maximum tension against an immovable object. Research shows this style of training can increase strength by up to 15% in as few as 6 weeks. After 50, muscle fiber recruitment drops significantly. This technique retrains your nervous system to call on more fibers more often, which is exactly the signal aging muscles need. Hold your maximum push for 10 seconds. Rest. Repeat 3 times. That's it. Hold number 3, the dead hang. All you need is something sturdy overhead, a pull-up bar, a tree branch, a doorframe attachment. Grip it. Hang, let your spine decompress. This single hold addresses one of the most overlooked problems in aging: grip strength decline. Studies consistently show that grip strength after 50 is one of the strongest predictors of overall health, longevity, and even cognitive function. The dead hang also opens up the shoulder joint, counteracts the hunching that comes from years of sitting, and trains the entire posterior chain passively through gravity. Start with 15 to 20 seconds. Build to 60 seconds. If hanging is too difficult, use a step stool to reduce the load. The Shaolin principle here is simple: tension through stillness. You're not pulling, you're holding your structure against the pull of the earth. 2 sets a day. Watch your shoulder pain quietly disappear over 30 days. And here it is, hold number 4. The one I promised you, the standing dragon. This is a single-legged hip hinge. Hold hinge forward from your hips. Lift one leg behind you. Arms extend forward for balance. You hold this position for time. What makes this extraordinary for those over 50 is this: it trains your hip extensors, lower back, and single leg balance simultaneously, the exact combination of strength and stability that prevents the most common and dangerous injuries in older adults. More importantly, this hold forces your brain and body to communicate. Balance training after 50 is neurological training. Every second you hold this position, you're literally rebuilding the neural pathways that keep you upright, agile, and confident in your movement. Hold each side for 20 to 45 seconds. Do it near a wall the first week for safety. This one exercise, done consistently, has a more protective effect on your independence than almost anything else you can do. Hold number 5, the low plank lock. You know the plank, but Shaolin planking is different. It's not about endurance. It's about maximum tension in minimum time. Get into your forearm plank. Now squeeze everything. Abs braced hard, glutes tight, quads engaged, fists clenched. Generate total body tension like you're about to get hit. Hold that level of full body tension for just 10 seconds. Rest for 20. Repeat 5 times. This technique, known as irradiation in modern strength science, is the same method used by special forces and elite athletes. When you squeeze your whole body, the force generated radiates outward and amplifies strength throughout every muscle group. For those over 50 who struggle with long plank holds, this is your answer. Less time, more tension, better results. And zero spinal compression compared to traditional ab work. Hold number 6, the warrior gait. Step wide to one side. Bend one knee into a deep lateral lunge. The other leg stays straight. Arms can be at your sides or pressed together in front for focus. Hold this gait position, this wide open stance, and feel your inner thighs, hip adductors, and groin open and strengthen at the same time. This is one of the most neglected movement patterns in Western fitness, the lateral plane. Almost all gym exercises move you forward and back. But real-world strength, sport, and injury prevention happen in all directions. After 50, losing lateral strength is a key contributor to hip fractures and instability. The warrior gait closes that gap. Hold 30 to 45 seconds per side. Do this 3 times a week. In a month, you'll move with a confidence and ease you haven't felt in years. 6 holds. No dumbbells, no gym, no excuses. The Shaolin monks didn't build legendary strength through complexity. They built it through commitment to the fundamentals. Stillness, tension, consistency. You don't need to train like a 25-year-old to feel strong, capable, and powerful after 50. You just need the right method, and now you have it. Start with just 2 or 3 of these holds today. Hold each one a little longer tomorrow. That's it. That's the whole system. If this video gave you something valuable, hit that like button and subscribe, because every week, we bring you more ancient wisdom, modern science, and practical tools to help you live stronger, longer. I'll see you in the next one.